Hey guys, I'm Scott, and thanks for stopping by. Let's take a quick look at a couple of guitars that I use way more than I ever thought I would, and that's my Ibanez SA160s. And these ones were made about 20 years ago. They're fairly inexpensive, well-built guitars that are regularly available on the used market, and these ones came for about $200 US. They have some wear and tear, as they get played an awful lot. The metallic grape got banged up in transit, and so it sports a bit of carbon fiber look vinyl wrap, and the weathered brown has some character building dings still in it. These are lightweight guitars. They're a joy to play. I have them with hardtails and loaded with DADGAD 9s, and to me the neck and the frets feel great to my hands. If you shop carefully, you can find versions of these guitars with flame maple tops and an amazing array of finishes. All the models, though, have a certain super strat kind of charm to them. I hope you like this quick look at the Ibanez SA160, and I'd love to hear what you think about them in the comments below. I'm Scott, and I'll see you next time.